So this is now a review of a hairpiece that I've just received. It is a top piece 8x8 from Best Hair Systems, and this is a stock unit, and this is how it arrives. And let me just show you. So usually you will get it in this net, and this is where you will see just specifications. So this is number 3. Number color is 3 and hair length is 18 inches. Okay, and this is the hair system. The hair system is 8x8, as you can see. So you would naturally just cut the excess lace. You see this area in front before you wear it, and then you would tape all around. So this is meant to be for wearing with the tapes or the glues, so it's like a bondable hairpiece. This is the design, is the lace with poly on the sides and back. So let's go into the details of the very hairpiece. The hair seems really nice just from looking at it out of the box, but they all do look nice when you first get them. So the real testament to the quality would be to wash it and see how it behaves during weeks and even months. This seems like a medium density, even like light medium, and it does provide for that very natural look. So if you like the natural look, not too much of a hair, this would be, I think, perfect. You see, you can see through the hair to the cap. So this is the knots. So the knots are like okay, not perfect, they're not bleached and the hairpiece, but only the very front. This is how the front looks like. So it is much better in the front hairline, and I think you would be satisfied. The lace is also transparent, and that would suit many complexions. You see, this is the hairline. Okay, and this is a freestyle, so you could after you wash it, you could restyle it however you want, so it kind of falls however you want. This now goes more on the front, but usually this is easily created like this one. So overall, I would say it's a really nice hairpiece. The hair length is uniform from the top to the bottom. You cannot see really those choppy ends like you would usually see with some companies. So that is a big plus. And this is how much, like when you hold it, this is, if you want to see like the density, this is the density. It is like medium light. The hair seems a bit more on, if that makes sense, on touch. It seems to have more like heaviness. It's not, it's like the hair shaft is more how do I say, it's not as thin as you would have with Indian hair. So for example, my own here, like Indian, is much more like fluffy, and this one seems more like it would dry like this. So it seems like the shaft is just straighter and a bit different to the touch, which I actually like. So let me try to put this like this just to show you. So you see the color. Of course this now is not blending because it's on my existing topper, but just to show you. So this is all topper hair. So yeah, it's not as bulky as it seems here because my own hair is here as well. It's really a nice density for, especially for somebody who likes that natural look. I know a lot of times it's hard to see with most vendors how the piece looks like. It's not presented really in a great way. You cannot really make sense of color of the hairpiece itself. So that's why I always like to show this to you so you can have an idea like what you're getting. This is all that I can say just from looking at it from the box, because it doesn't really say a lot before you wear it. Hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know.